There's something soothing about it, refreshing even, knowing that everyone goes
Don't go too fast.
at their own pace.
Can you go slower?
Holden is almost 5. His expectations of excitement
Can you just go slower?
held at bay by the curiosity that captivates him.
Do you want to try the big slide?
All of it, though, his speed. And here, at Carter Park in Bowling Green,
Yes, pretty much.
his mother Kelly knows how special it is, knowing there was once a time when him even being here
Here I come at the bottom.
was all but impossible. Holden was born with brain deformities and cerebral palsy, among other things. He's had multiple surgeries and didn't walk until he was 3 years old. Looking at him now,
Whee!
you'd never know it.
Oh, this is him quiet.
It's what makes Carter Park even more special, especially knowing
Right.
it almost never was.
Play is the one place that kids learn. They learn about communication, they learn about just movement, everything they learn through play.
Margie Harris works with Wood County Plays, a nonprofit that builds inclusive playgrounds. Amanda Gamby, the acting communications director for the city. Bowling Green has ADA accessible playgrounds. Still, though, she says more needed to be done.
But where we were still falling short was how do you get to the slide if you have mobility issues?
She says while watching a webinar hosted by Ohio EPA on different recycling and litter prevention grants available, it hit her.
And just had this aha moment that if we made sure to incorporate the recycled tire rubber into this design, we could qualify for this funding and submit an application to help fund, a good chunk of the playground.
So when we found out that we could utilize the Ohio EPA and recycle tires from Ohio to use this, that was a no-brainer for us too.
Through the grant, the city of Bowling Green and Wood County Plays secured more than $116,000 in grant money that went towards the poured rubber surface, all made from recycled tire rubber for the city's newest and only.
We were able to make this space accessible to all, to everyone of all ages and all abilities.
All-inclusive playground.
This wouldn't be here as quickly as it came about if it wasn't for the Ohio EPA grant.
We have a project here that not only incorporates some of these very important and critical sustainability initiatives, but we've also have a project in our community now that is inclusive and welcoming, again, of people of all ages and all abilities, and that's really pretty special.
And for a mother like Kelly, inclusion
It's invaluable to have this space that he can feel safe.
is music to her ears. Everyone will always go at their own pace, and that's okay.
Always spinning it.
What's important is that together, we're always moving forward.